Good morning, Renu ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, children. We will wait 1 minute more and then we start our class. So I asked till now any child any difficulty in addition and subtraction?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Mohammad Patel, students, those who are not sending me the work, please send me your work timely. Got it?
Ma'am, my work is submitted.
Yeah, Hansil is submitting. I'm not. Those who are submitting, I know their names. Those who are
Okay.
not submitting, I'm requesting them to please submit your work timely. And only submit in the classroom, not in Gmail. Please, Anshul, mute your mic. Yes,
Excuse me,
Meera.
ma'am.
Yes, Meer.
Ma'am, I'm Kavisha.
Meer wants to speak before you. So, Meer, tell me.
Ma'am, I do not have joined class.
No problem. So,
So I
everything is
will.
there in the classroom.
Okay,
Okay.
thanks.
Yes, Kavisha.
Ma'am, in subtraction borrowing, can you tell how to do?
Yes. So we start with one subtraction sum. Can you give me any number of digits, Kavisha?
Wait, ma'am. 9,999 and 8,785.
85. There is no required of borrowing. So you take 85 here, 99 here.
I'm your screen blur.
Wait a minute, let me check it out.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, it is proper.
Yes, ma'am. It's proper.
Bhakti, now check. You get this proper.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am, it
ma'am.
is proper.
Prayag, my screen is clearly visible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yog,
it is.
Yog, please finish your food before coming in the class. Not in class. It is not allowed. So she has given me some number of digits. I need to subtract it. So Kavisha, my board is visible to you.
Yes, ma'am.
5 minus 9 is not possible. So what we do is we borrow 1 from here. It is that is we borrowing 110 from here and make it as 15. What we make it as?
50.
15, because this is ones, this is tens, this is 100, this is 1000, right? This is 8 tens are here, this is 5 ones, 8 tens, 900, 9000. So there are 8 tens. From 8 tens, when we borrow 110 here and give it to this, so it is 110 plus 5, 10 plus 5. You generally take 1 and you make it as 15, right? But you children don't know this is one word. This is 10. 10 plus 5 is 15. And this become now 7 tens. Got it, Kavisha? Now 15 minus 9 is possible, which we can do. Tell me what is the answer 15 minus 9? 6. And this is now 7 minus 9 is not possible. So what we do is, what we take now?
Ma'am,
Now, borrow from 9.
From borrow and make it what?
70.
70.
Yes. So 17 minus 9 is?
excuse me, Renu ma'am. I came late because some network issue. So what you are doing?
Ma'am, 8.
Kavisha is asking one sum related to subtraction.
Ma'am,
That
I
is
got this answer.
8, you told, right? Now this become 8 and 8 minus 7 is possible. So it is 1. 9 minus 8 is also possible. That is 1. Your answer is this.
1186.
Got it now?
186.
Yes.
Ma'am, I was telling that I have problem in less than.
Less than means minus.
Minus from something which we have number.
Yeah. For example, I said 200 less than 900. So from bigger number, you subtract this number. Means 200 less than 900. 900 say 200 less. So how you will do? 900 minus 200 is 700.
Okay.
So now today we have already done our classes, as I to discuss with you in my previous class. Mute yourself, please. As I discussed with you in my first class that for trip to Bhopal, we will learn the 4 basic operations: addition. Next is
Subtraction.
and then
Multiplication
Multiplication.
and then division.
addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So addition and subtraction, 2 operations we have already discussed in our last classes. Today we are going to discuss multiplication. What is the other name of what other you will do with the multiplication?
Repeating addition.
Repeating addition. Very good. Multiplication is the repeated addition also. So why are we learning about the multiplication if we know the addition?
To make it easy and fast.
Do it easily. Ma'am,
And fast.
To make,
it is very easy.
yes. Instead of adding, if I say 20 rupees you gave for one child and 20 more, then you need to add 2 times 20. Suppose if you know 2 into 2 is also 20. So it makes multiplication makes your calculation easy. So that is why we learning the multiplication also, right? To make our calculation easy. Now, as addition and subtraction, you have learned that having some rules. Same, multiplication is also having some properties or the rules. For example, if I say any number, for I take the large numbers because now we are doing the all the operation with the large numbers. So suppose if I take 9,554 and I need to multiply it with the 0. There is a property when
Zero.
yes,
Zero.
when any
We
number
multiply by any number with zero, so answer will be always zero.
answer will be always 0. Any number multiplied by 0, the answer is always 0. Now next is any number. For example, Kush will give me, Kush decide. Turn on your camera and give me any 4-digit number.
9, 8, 5, and 1.
He gave me this number. I need to multiply it with the 1. If any number multiply by 1, Kiana will tell me, Kiana, what is the answer?
What, ma'am?
If any number multiply by 1, what will be the answer?
1.
1.
No.
If I say 13 multiplied by 1, you learn the 13 table, no? 13
Yes.
ones are what they are?
13. 13.
Any number multiplied by 1 gives you the same answer, same number itself.
Ma'am, it is answer itself.
Yes. So it will be when you multiply any number by 1, so it will be the answer itself, that is 9,851. This is clear to you all? 0 and 1 property is clear? Okay. If we want to change the order of the numbers, for example, if I say 3 multiplied by 5 is what? Bhakti will tell me. 3 multiplied by 5 is? Bhakti.
Ma'am, can I say Bhakti to
Yes.
Ma'am,
And 15.
15. And if I change the order of these numbers, if I say 5 multiplied by 3, then also what
In
is
the
the
same
answer?
answer. In the same answer.
15 only.
So don't get confused. 15 into 3 is what and 3 into 15. For example, if it is a bigger number, 9,563 multiplied by 4. Whatever the answer is coming. For example, now next situation is 4 multiplied by 9,563. In both the cases, answer will be same. Got it? This also clear to you all? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now, if any number, the next is if any number, for example, 7. We start first with the small numbers, then we go to the large numbers. 7 multiplied by 10. In this case, when any
70.
number multiply by 10, 100, 1000, in that case, what you do?
We put this zero
Ma'am,
backside of that.
we
Yes.
the zero backside the number.
We have to 10 plus 7, so it equals to 70.
No. We multiply this number with this number. 7 into 1. Whatever the number is here is 1. So 7 into
7.
1 is 7. And add the number of zeros. 10 ke saath how many zeros are there?
71.
70.
So this is your answer. Suppose now I change this with the 100. Same situation, multiply the
700.
number with the...
700. The answer is 700.
Listen to me, then give the answer, okay? When I give you the chance to speak. 7 multiplied by 1 is 7 and add the number of zeros at the back. Same. Again, I do the same situation with the 1000. Or number, jitne bhi zeros, the rule will be the same. Multiply the number with the number and add the zeros at the back. Got it? This is clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ahana, mute your mic, please. Now, I take with the larger numbers. For example, 3,569 multiply by 100. So what I do, I multiply this number with the 1. When you multiply a number with the 1, you will get the same answer. Yes.
3,669.
No, wait, it will not be 3,000 now because 3,569 multiplied by 1 is 3,569. Now you add the zeros at the back. Now the comma will be changed and the digits will be changed. 3,56,900 is your answer. Got it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Got
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
So with the bigger numbers also it is clear to you? Rule is same. Just apply the rule on the bigger numbers also. Now, the situation is when you multiply any number with 20, 300 or 400, this way. For example, I have 8 multiplied by 20. To give you the fast mental calculation, what you do? You do the number multiplied by number. 8 into 2 is what, Kiana? 8 into 2 is?
8 into 2, 16.
16. Start learning tables because mute yourself now, Kiana. I request everyone to start learning. Yes, Hanchil, please drink. Start learning tables. I can ask any time now. 8 into 2 is 16 and add the 0 at the back of the answer because 20 is having 1 0. Same. If I do multiply 8 multiply by 300. Now, Ahana will tell me. Ahana, how you will get the answer of this? Let me take the attendance. By the time Ahana needs to be ready.
Excuse me, ma'am. My voices are coming. My network issue is there. Because
So I'm not asking Arnav anything. I'm asking right now from Ahana.
ma'am, you get my voice.
Yes, I can hear you.
My network issue is there.
Please solve this network issue, my dear.
Okay, ma'am.
Now next child is Hansil. Hansil, please give me the answer. If you multiply this number, 8 multiplied by 300, what will be your answer?
300 multiply 8.
Or 8 multiplied by 300. If you want to do it mentally fast, तो कैसे आंसर निकालोगे? Mohammed, mute yourself, please.
Ma'am, may I answer, Rishik?
No, wait, let Hansil answer.
300, 600.
8 multiplied by 300. So as I told, multiply the number with the number. Fast, 8 into 3. Tell 8, table of 8 3 times.
8 on the 8 to the. Ma'am, 16. No, 24.
Yeah, 8 3s are 24. In this number and this number you have easily multiplied. Now Navya,
Yes.
what I will do next? Navya,
Ma'am, we have to put 2 zeros.
yeah, in the answer because this 300 is having 2 zeros, so we need to put 3 zeros. So to do your calculation easy, we can apply these methods.
Ma'am, I can say.
When I will ask them, okay, Arnav? Now, if I give you some sums to do in your note, first I will explain you about the word problems, and then I will give you some questions to do in the notebook. See, we have learned about in the unitary method when we have a value of 1 and we need to find out the value of many. For example, I went to purchase the apples. 1 kg apple price is 90 rupees. Now, he told me 1 kg price is 90 rupees, but I need to buy 5 kg apples. Ahana always busy to talk somewhere near to her. Ahana, in my class, I will not accept this. I have noted always you busy in someone with talking only. So once I end my class, then at the end you will say, ma'am, I have not understood. Then it will be your problem, my dear. Please pay attention if you are in class. When you go to school, what you do? You pay attention in the class, no? Same, this is the class going on. Pay attention in the class only. Don't think teacher is not noticing anything. Teacher is online. Teacher cannot see everyone together. Teacher can see. Shopkeeper told me the price of 1 kg is rupees 90. But I want to buy 5 kg apples. How I will find the price of 5 kg apples? Dhir Patel will tell me. Dhir Patel.
Ma'am, 95 sir.
90 multiplied by 5. Because price of 1 kg is 90. You need to find out the price of 5 kg. Then you will able to find out the price of 5 kg. Deep Patel, what is the answer?
We have to multiply 5 nines.
Yes, what is 5 nines or 9 fives?
9 fives are 45.
Huh?
And we put the 0.
Very good. So this is 450 what? Kg?
450.
450 what? 450 kg?
Yes, kg, not gram.
This is kg? Kg is already given 500 in kg.
Ma'am, rupees.
This is rupees. This is not kg. This is rupees we have find out. So you need to write the symbol of rupees. Please, when you do these things, your units should be clear, right? So this is rupees we have find out. The price of 5 kg is the rupees of 5 kg is 90 multiplied by 5 is 450 rupees. So you will write rupees, not 450 kg.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, today is my birthday, so I want you for your good blessings, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Always my blessings are with you, dear Varenya and Varija.
Thank
Yeah.
you so
God
much,
bless.
ma'am.
God bless you, both of you, always.
Thank
And
you, ma'am.
my wishes are with you. Happy birthday to you, both of you.
Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am.
Can we all 1 minute wish to both Varinya and Varija?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday
Happy
to
birthday to
you.
you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
God bless you. Okay?
Thank you, everyone.
Welcome.
Okay, now we'll mute your mic, please. Now, no messages in the chat box, please. No messages. Okay, when we come in the HRM, we talk. And I think you both were saying about the dance also that you both have prepared. Yes, today in the HRM we will discuss. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Let me take the attendance one more time.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, actually that worksheet when I wrote everything in the notebook on the question and everything. But ma'am, it's compulsory to write this solutions questions.
Yes, it is compulsory.
Okay.
Okay. My next question is,
Excuse me, ma'am. We have
yes,
to write this.
you need to write the statement and you need to write the question also in the word problems. Okay. My next word problem is the cost of one pair of shoes. You go to buy shoes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you have to write this or you have to
No,
just
no.
see?
Just see. Just understand. Suppose you went to the market and you went to buy a pair of shoes. In one pair, how many shoes will come?
Two.
Two shoes.
So shoes, you always know that shoes comes in a pair only. Single shoe, no, no, nobody will go to buy a single shoe.
No, ma'am.
Yes. So the cost of pair of shoes is given rupees 979. Yes.
Ma'am, the first one which you have given, we have to write that in the notebook.
Nothing you need to write. Nothing you need to write. You need to just understand. I will send the worksheet based on the concept which we are doing today. So if the cost of pair of shoes is this one, what will be the cost of what will be the cost of 23 pair of shoes? So this is the price of one pair of shoes. You need to buy 23 pair of shoes. When you need to buy, आपको जब one का given है, you need to find out for many. So which operation you will apply?
Multiplication.
Yes. For example, when you go to market to buy one chocolate, you know that one chocolate of a Dairy Milk is 10 rupees. आपको 10 वाला ही लेना है, but they have different prices की Dairy Milk आती है. But you need to buy a Dairy Milk chocolate of rupees 10 का ही लेना है, suppose. And then your friends and family members also want. They also say, for example, Kavisha, if you are going to buy the chocolate, so you buy for us also. And there are 6 members in the family. They also need the chocolate. So the price of one chocolate is 10. Now you need 6 chocolates. How much amount you will take from home?
60.
Ma'am, 60.
60. So how you have find out? You have find out by multiplying it. Because you have the price of one, you need to find out for the many. For many, always we do the multiplication. So the answer is rupees 60, not only 60. Same way, in the cost of pair of shoes, price of one pair is given, that is 979. You need to find out the price of 23 pair of shoes. In that case, what you will do? You need to multiply them. Now, how to multiply the 2 digit with the 3 digit? Just check here. 979. I know you all are aware about the 1 digit multiplication, but
Ma'am, I have done 3-digit multiplication also.
excellent. Now we are doing the 2 digit multiplication. How to do this 2 digit multiplication?
Ma'am, I know. Can I?
First of all, yes, you tell me the steps. I am going to do.
Yes, ma'am. First, we have to multiply 3 nines are
Yes, this one
27.
with all the numbers. 3 nines
Yes.
are. If you know the tables, you can easily do the multiplication. So I please tell you to start learn the multiplication. 3 nines are 27.
27.
2 will go to the tens place and 7 will come here.
Down.
Yes. Now
Then-
next step.
3 sevens are.
3 sevens are. What is 3 sevens are?
3 sevens are is 20, 21,
21. Now the carryovers are
22
here.
and 23.
Yes. 22 and 23. So we will write 3 here and the 2 here. Now 3
Again,
nines
three
are
are
27. Plus
27.
2 is 23.
29. 29.
29.
29. Then we have to write 7 and then down cross.
Either
Multiply.
you write cross or you write the
0.
It's your choice because this turn is over. Now we start from the tens place.
2
That is
nines
what
are.
two.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
Renu ma'am, in the multiplication, so we have to write first 0.
Either you write 0, no problem. You write cross or you write 0 here. Anything. Because this is over now, right?
Yes.
Now we multiply 2
Two
nines are 18.
18.
So that carryovers you better write here down. 1
Yes.
here, 8 here. Okay?
Then 2
2
sevens
sevens
are.
are. What is 2 sevens are?
2 sevens are 14.
14 and 1 this carry over. So it is 15. 1 will.
15.
Yes. Then 2
Then
nines are
nines are again 18.
18. 2 nines
Plus
are
1,
18
19.
plus 19.
We have
Now
to
to add
add
them.
now this.
Now this is the step 1, step 2, and the third step you need to add them.
Add.
7 plus 0 is 7.
7.
8 plus 3 is
11.
11. 1 here, 1 will go here. 9 plus 10, 1 is 10 plus 5 is 15. 1 is this. 9, 10, 11, 12.
12.
And this is 2.
2.
So your answer, you need to put the comma. in the answer. 22,517 is your answer. Got it? How to multiply the 3 digit with the 2 digits. First start with the ones place and this ones digit will be multiplied by all the digits. And you write the answer. The carryovers of these numbers will go here. When you are doing with the ones, so I carry over yahan lagenge. When you are doing with the tens, you do here. Otherwise, you will get confused if you put all the carryovers up. Got it? And it is your choice. You want to erase the carryover after that chance is done. It is your choice. You please erase that also. Don't get yourself confused with this. Yes.
I didn't understand. I couldn't hear.
I am giving you one sum. You start doing everyone in your notebooks so that I can know that your multiplication is clear or not. And wherever you stuck Dirg now, then you ask from me again. Okay? I'm giving you one multiplication sum. Yes, please.
Ma'am, I had
Yes, please tell.
ma'am, I had done that sentences one.
Which
That
sentence?
the worksheets you had given in the addition and subtraction, the solve
What?
the word problems.
Okay.
I had done one one word problems of multiplication.
Very good.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, please.
A box of chocolates contains
Hmm.
300 chocolates.
Mm-hmm.
How many chocolates in 40 boxes?
Mm-hmm.
So, how many boxes contain how many chocolates?
Mm-hmm.
The chocolates
Start do
are
wait,
300.
Priyag, wait. Everyone, please start doing this sum in your notebook. Mohammed Patel, I don't want you to simply sit in my class. Please start doing this sum in your notebook. Everyone. Here, everyone has to do this sum in their
4, 8,
notebook.
12.
Yug Baria, mute yourself, please. I request. No one will tell me the answer right now. Please do. Everyone has to do in their notebooks.
Ma'am, may I go to washroom?
Ma'am,
Yes, please. Yes, Priya.
can you do ma'am, can you do
Yes,
it
ma'am.
little bit so we can
Now
see
see.
it. Now I can see.
Yes, Priya. Continue.
Yes. Total number of chocolates is equal to 300. Second, total number of boxes 40. First, we will write the bigger number 300.
Mm-hmm.
Then the cross multiplication sign and
Mm-hmm.
2 zeros down 40.
Mm-hmm.
0 multiplied by 0 is 0. 0 multiplied by 0 again it's 0. And 0 multiplied by 3 is 0.
Yes.
Then we will go to the 4 number.
Hmm.
We will first put the down 0.
Hmm.
The 3 zeros first. Again 4 multiplied by 0 0. 4 multiplied by 0 0. And 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12. And we will add. So it will become 12,000.
Very good. Excellent.
And-
Excellent.
And the ma'am answer. And the
Ah.
answer is 12,000. So 12,000 chocolates contains in 40 boxes.
Yes. Good. So please learn how to write the statement in the word problems. I will send you the worksheet based on the multiplication and the word problem based on multiplication. Do it in the notebook. Please write the statement also in the notebook. Arnav Desai, what are you looking for? Why are you not doing it in your class? I want everyone else to do this. Yuk Surana, please don't write the answer. Let everyone.
Ma'am, my network issue was there.
That's
So
what.
I cannot see your screen.
Now,
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, we want to write this only. We can change the question.
no, write this only and do
Because
it in your
I'm
notebook.
thinking the question.
No, write this only which is here on the board and solve it fast.
Ma'am, I cannot see your board.
I will say the digits. Yuk Surana, yours is done, right?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you please write the sum in the chat box?
Ma'am, the sum I have written. Ma'am,
Yes,
I have
Amana.
I have got the answer.
You have done in your notebook?
Ma'am, I have written the sum.
Show me. I am going to pin you. Please show me. You write this sum in the chat box, Yuk Surana. I'm going
Ma'am,
to
I have
pin you.
written.
Tell me. Show me.
Ma'am, my notebook.
No, I'm asking from Ahana. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Ahana, what is your answer?
Ma'am, my answer is 26118.
No, wrong.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Show me once again. Show me once again. Your first step is 1268. Next step is 15850. Second, the third step answer is just check again. Your two steps are right. Check the total of the two steps.
Ma'am, I can see my Kavisha.
Yes, Kavisha. Done?
Yes, ma'am, I've done.
Deer, you got the question?
Am I done?
No,
Deer, I will tell
I'm
you
only
what
getting answers.
I am telling you. You please write. 317 multiply 54. Khush Desai, if you are here, you please write the question which I am telling. Please write in your notebook. 317 multiply 54.
Ma'am, I can see.
I can see this girl. Kavisha, your final answer is wrong.
Okay, ma'am.
You somewhere forgot about one borrowing, one carryover add.
Ma'am, is my answer right?
Ma'am, please
Yes,
can I
yes.
see once?
Mir Virani, I'm telling the sum verbally. If you're not able to see the board, please write.
Ma'am, now is it okay?
Which I
Kavisha.
let me see. Dhir, mute your mic, please. Yes, now it is okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So, children, please do it fast.
Ma'am, it was so easy question.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, done.
I got the answer.
Show me.
17118.
Yes. Check. Show me a notebook.
Ma'am, time up.
Yeah.
Ma'am, see mine.
Ma'am, done. Oh,
Yes, yes. I have checked Ahana right.
I couldn't
Thank
see your.
you. And do this. Yes, Dhir, wait. I will talk to you.